Hey friends, hey y'all. I'm CoCoDenise if you're new here. And I'm so excited. I really am. I'm so excited because I have my denim, Kurt Geiger, and the belt is now here. I'm excited now, but let me tell y'all, I was real stressed out and frustrated about my shipping process. So I ordered it online directly from Kurt Geiger, and then the next day I got an email. It said that your order is on the way. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get my order in like 2 days. It's feeling more, it's feeling like Tory Burch, okay? Tory Burch in the delivery process, okay? But then it never came. And I kept waiting, and I kept waiting, and I kept waiting, and they never gave me a tracking number. So I never had a tracking number. I tried to send a message to the little, you know, when you go online and it has like a little pop-up for you to send a message to a bot really, and then it kind of trickles to a person. Well, I tried that and they just kept giving me the same articles, would never let me reach out to someone. I couldn't find customer service number. I was very frustrated. But when I drove home today and I looked to the side and I saw a box on the porch, I was like, okay. Yeah, very excited about this one. I hope I love it. And let's get into the unboxing. And I'm sorry if y'all hear that noise. So first off, it doesn't make sense because it's raining outside and then someone is cutting grass. So I'm like, why are you cutting grass and it's raining outside? The grass is wet. I don't know what they're doing. But let's get into this unboxing. First thing they gave me, okay, I love it when they provide the return label. I don't have to do anything extra if I don't want it. Okay, receipt. They call it a delivery note. I wanted more for the presentation. I did want more, but this is what we get, y'all. This is what we get directly from Kurt Geiger. Here's the belt and the denim and the actual name, Kensington 38 belt in denim. And I got a small medium, and we'll see. I should have gotten the large. We'll see. Oh, okay, I can definitely fit this. I love it. I love it. And y'all know I already got the shoes. Okay, so they did wrap the eagle head, so we'll have to take a look at that. Kurt Geiger. And then hopefully this comes up. It's a little, oh, this doesn't say anything. Y'all can see that. All right, so let's take, come on. Grr. I hate when it gets dark like that, but it's raining outside and cloudy, and so that's what happens. Okay, here's the eagle, and the eagle has the gold jewels. So hopefully focus on the eagle head. But yeah, the inside is black leather, I'm assuming. I don't know if it's, I have to look that up. I don't know if it's the inside is leather. But it says Kurt Geiger, London. It says 70% cotton, 25% polyester synthetic material. Kurt Geiger, London. And that's it. I don't think y'all can. All right, let's get into the bag. I think the bag might be too big for me. Ideally said large, and I was like, okay, usually I'm more of a medium girl, but I can do something new, right? It is a little large for me. It is a little large. This is the large Kensington soft denim. I'm gonna try to open this nicely just in case it's too large for me. Tissue paper coming off. Okay, okay, I know I'm being a little over exaggerated, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, it's real soft and squishy. I feel something hard right here, but I don't know what that is. It seems like it don't belong. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the, what you think, DJ?
That was pretty good.
Pretty good? Yeah! Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take all the stuff out. I don't know, for some reason it smells like paint to me. Come on, adjust. It smells like paint. I don't have a dust bag. You don't get a dust bag? Oh, okay, Kurt Geiger. Okay, here it is, y'all. And let's see, this is just the care instructions. Okay, come through, Kurt Geiger. Design is what we do, kindness is what we are. Okay, that's on one side, and then the other side says, inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression, authenticity, and distinctive design for the individual who wants to channel their true self. Kurt Geiger, London. That's at the bottom. Okay, come through with the dust bag. Come through. Come through. And it's a drawstring. I guess I'll be back while I take all the plastic off. Oh. I got all the paper off, all the wrappings. Okay, first impression. I love the denim part. This part to me at the bottom, it's like it's something to keep the shape of the bag. But I don't know, it feels kind of cheap and flimsy to me. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just being honest. It's like, it's bendable. It just seems a little, I don't know. It just seems a little cheap. Do I have my bag down here? I don't. But it just doesn't seem, I don't know, it's kind of giving Shein. Gotta give a Shein, I'm sorry. All right, so let me tell you about the bag. Of course, we have the bronze hardware and 2 straps. Okay, the movement is there. The movement is there. Gold on Kurt Geiger. The diamonds are gold. We have 2 snaps here, 2 button closure, and 2 compartments. We have a big compartment. It's in black. It says, does it say Kurt Geiger or just Geiger? Oh, it just says Geiger. Yeah, it's a fabric interior. It's in black and it says Geiger in both compartments. And then we have a slip pocket here. It is not a zip pocket. Oh, okay. And then it's another little compartment where it looks like you can slip a card maybe. And I'll have to show you a close-up of this, but in the inside it says the Kensington, and it also says Kurt Geiger, London. Design is what we do, kindness is what we are. Okay, come through, Kurt Geiger. Come through. And then on the back here it says Kurt Geiger, London. This is pretty much the biggest I will go. I wouldn't go any bigger than this unless it's a tote bag. But I don't know, this part right here, like I said, it's giving Shein purse. But I feel like it wasn't, I feel like we should have had a choice, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and then I'm gonna get my shoes so we can get the full look, okay? Yes! I'm gonna start with the purse. Oh my goodness! Can I still wear it crossbody? The belt isn't as tight as it go, but these really aren't the correct pants to wear this belt, because the belt is kind of heavy for these pants. But cute, cute. Okay, okay, come through. This includes my unboxing of the Geiger Kensington soft denim bag, and the belt, definitely keeping the belt to go with the shoes. And I didn't show you guys the handles here. I wish they would have been a little longer, like the actual strap for your shoulder, but it does suffice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the end and you love my videos, make sure you do subscribe. It's free, duh. And comment down below if you're feeling the Geiger denim collection. They're so, I mean, you can pretty much go to any designer and get denim, but I'm like, why is some of this denim like thousands of dollars? It's denim. Like literally denim. I don't get it. I don't get it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.